Most chicken coop are built the wrong way, and that's why farmers lose their birds. Today, I show you a simple, low-cost chicken coop design that you can build step by step using local materials. Welcome to Smart Poultry Art. In case you are new to this channel, I talk about practical ways to make money, smart farming, and financial growth. Take a second, hit subscribe to get farming tips every week. To build chicken coop in the right way, watch all these 12 steps. Step number 1. Choose the light location. Pick a dry and well-drained area. Avoid places that flood during rain. Make sure the area is quiet, has access to clean water, and is always away from other animals. Step 2. Decide the size of your house. For 50 chickens, use about 5 meters by 2 meters. For 100 chickens, use about 6 meters by 3 meters. Each bird needs enough space to stay healthy and grow well. Step 3. Mark the layout. Use pegs and strings to mark the shape of your house. Remember to leave space for a door and windows. Step 4. Build the foundation. Dig trenches about 1 to 2 feet deep. Fill them with stones and concrete to make the structure strong and durable. Step 5. Make the floor. Pour a concrete floor and give it a slight slope. This helps with cleaning and prevents water from collecting inside. Step 6. Lace the walls. Build a short wall using bricks or stones, about 1 foot high. Then add wire mesh above it to allow fresh air and light. Step 7. Install the frame. Fix strong timber poles at the corners and add horizontal supports. This will hold the roof firmly in place. Step 8. Fix the roof. Use iron sheets and make the roof slanting. Extend it outward to prevent rain from entering the house. Step 9. Install the door and windows. Add a strong lockable door. Cover all openings with wire mesh to keep out predators like dogs and snakes. Step 10. Add litter materials. Spread sawdust, wood shavings, or rice husk on the floor. Make the layer about 5 to 10 centimeters thick. Step 11. Install equipment. Place feeders and drinkers inside the house. If you are raising chicks, add a brooder to keep them warm. Step 12. Disinfect the house. Before bringing in your chickens, spray disinfectant and leave the house empty for a few days. This helps prevent diseases. You can build this type of poultry house with around 20 to 40,000 Kenyan shillings, depending on the material you use. Remember to avoid mistakes like poor ventilation, overcrowding, wet litter, and weak structures. This can affect your chickens and reduce your profits. For more weekly smart tips like this, please subscribe, share and like the video to know when I upload a new video.